Good afternoon, students. This is Dr. William M. Griffin, your instructor for Business 262-07-0, your Business Law 2 online class. Just wanted to make this week's announcement on YouTube. Sorry, I meant to do it last week, but we had some technical difficulties. But this week's announcement today is February 4th for your assignments for the week. Hope everyone's getting back to normal after the outrageously cold weather we had last week. Everyone's back on campus now, and hopefully things will resume back to normal. But for this week, make sure you have read chapters 37 and 38 and review carefully the PowerPoints associated with those chapters. I have looked at your Legal Issue 2. Looks like almost all of you turned Legal Issue 2 in. I will grade that a little bit later this week. But for February 4th, week of February 4th, please read chapters 37, 38, review the PowerPoints, and then you have a homework assignment number 2 that is 20 questions covering both chapters 37 and 38. Again, once you begin the homework, you must complete it in one sitting, and you have 60 minutes to answer 20 questions. As always, our homework comes out on Mondays at 9 a.m. and is due the following Sunday before 10 p.m. And, of course, that'll be the same this week. Your only assignment this week is homework 2, due before 10 p.m. Sunday night, February 10th. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Hope everyone is enjoying and getting acclimated to the course. So again, Dr. Griffin is here to help you succeed. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. So that's this week's announcement. I'll be in touch. Thank you.